Namaste, ma'am. Om Shanti. How are you?
Om Shanti, sir. I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am also good. Let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt Gyanarchan Mudra. Inhale deeply for one time Om followed by opening mantra. Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ॐ Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Ma'am, is it visible? Diagram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday our topic was
Respiratory.
system. Okay. And we completed till lungs volume. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tidal capacity 500 ml. Vital capacity 4,500 ml. And total capacity of lung 6,000 ml or 6 liter.
Total lung.
Okay. Now write down analysis of gases in respiration. Analysis of gases in respiration. Mira ma'am,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
is it visible? No. Draw the three columns: O2, N2, CO2, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide.
Okay, sir.
There is inhaled air and exhaled air. Inhaled air, write down inhaled air. In oxygen column, write down 21%. Inhaled air 21% oxygen,
Okay.
79% nitrogen,
Okay.
and 0.03% carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Okay. Exhaled air 16% oxygen,
Okay.
79% nitrogen,
Okay.
and 4.97% carbon dioxide.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So we inhale 21%
Yes, sir.
oxygen, 79% nitrogen, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, which is present in atmosphere. And we
Okay.
exhale 16% oxygen. How much we inhaled?
21.
21. But exhaled 16% only. And nitrogen, we inhaled 79%, exhaled also 79%. Same.
Okay.
Same
Okay.
amount inhaled and exhaled. And CO2, we inhaled 0.03% and exhale how much?
4.97 we exhale.
4.97% we exhale. Means near about 5%. Means we use 5% oxygen only, nothing else. We use 5% oxygen in every breath.
Sir, 16% we exhale also oxygen.
Yeah. We
I
exhale
thought we
16. No, we not exhale actually full carbon dioxide. We exhale 16% oxygen and near about 5% carbon dioxide and
Oh,
79% nitrogen. Same
okay.
amount of nitrogen.
Okay.
We inhale 21% oxygen, 79% nitrogen, 0.03% carbon dioxide,
Okay.
and we exhaling
16%
oxygen, 79% carbon nitrogen, and 4.97%
4.97.
carbon dioxide.
Okay.
We not exhaling only carbon dioxide. We exhaling 16% oxygen and
Oxygen.
79% nitrogen also.
Okay, sir.
Only 4.97% we exhale carbon dioxide. Near about 5% oxygen we use for our system.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Now write down the effects of pranayam. Effects of pranayam in respiration. The word pran means vital energy or life force energy. The word pran means vital energy or life force energy. Yogis believes that YOGIS.
So the word pran means vital energy.
Vital energy or life force energy, LIFE, life force energy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities. You can change the flow and qualities of your energetics by breath control. through altering your breath, you can change the state of mind. By altering your breath, you can change your state of mind. For example, you may practice left nostril breathing. That is Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. We may practice left nostril breathing, that is Chandra Bhedi Pranayam, and B breathe, that is Bhramari Pranayam. For calmness, left nostril breathing and B breathe for calmness, and right nostril breathing, that is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. And Kapalbhati, for alertness. So these are all about respiratory system. Any question from respiratory system?
No, sir, but can you please repeat that line? Yogis believe that you can change the flow. Can you just
Yeah.
repeat the entire line?
Yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities of your energetics by breath control. Okay. Any other thing? No.
Sir, actually, your video stopped after you said by breath control through alerting your breath.
Now video is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From where you want to repeat? Yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities of your energetics by breath control.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I got locked out.
Okay. Now voice is clear?
Clear, sir.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay.
You can continue.
So now we move towards digestive system. DIGESTIVE, digestive system. Write down. The digestive system is made up of the digestive system is made up of the alimentary canal, alimentary, alimentary canal, and the other abdominal organs, that play a part PART in digestion, DIGESTION, digestion. The alimentary canal, also known as digestive tract, the alimentary canal, also known as digestive tract, is a long tube of organ, including esophagus, OESO, PHAGUS, esophagus, stomach, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, SMALL, small intestine, INTESTINES, small intestine. Large intestine, LARGE, large intestine, INTESTINE. Small intestine, large intestine, and rectum, RECTUM. Actually, rectum is the part of large intestine. It runs from the mouth. It runs from the mouth to anus. It runs from the mouth to anus, ANUS. An adult's digestive tract, ADULTS, apostrophe S, adult's digestive tract, TRACK, is about 30 feet long, and Now write down next point. Breakdown of food. Breakdown of food. There is two type of breakdown. There is two type of breakdown. First one is mechanical breakdown. Mechanical breakdown. MECHANICAL. Mechanical breakdown. That is mastification. 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 It takes place by the organs of digestive system. It takes place by the organs of digestive system. Second one is chemical breakdown. Chemical breakdown. CHEMICAL. Chemical breakdown. BREAKDOWN. It takes place by enzymes. It takes place by enzymes. ENZYMES. Enzymes secreted via glands. SECRETED. Secreted via glands. GLANDS. And accessory organs. Via glands and accessory organs. ACCESSARY. Accessory organs. ORGANS. Next point, write down activities of digestive system. Activities of digestive system. There is five main activities. There is five main activities. The first one is ingestion. 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 What is ingestion? It is taking of the food. It is taking of the food inside the mouth. It is taking of the food inside the mouth. Second one is propulsion. 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 That is movement from food. Movement of food, not movement from food. Movement of food from mouth to stomach. Movement of food from mouth to stomach. The third one is digestion. 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 It is breakdown of food. Breakdown of food. It is breakdown of food. Digestion. The next one is Abruption. 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 This is the actual utilization of the food. The actual utilization of food by body cells. By body cells. And the last one is elimination. 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 It is excretion of undigested food. Excretion. Excretion. Excretion of undigested food. Clear? Now write down next point. Anatomy and physiology of digestive system. Anatomy and physiology of digestive system. There is two types of organs. There is two types of organs. The first one is primary organ. This involves directly in digestion. This involves directly in digestion. Second one is accessory organ. Accessory organs. ACCESSARY. Accessory organ. They help in digestion. They help in digestion, or they support the primary organs. They support the primary organs for digestion. Clear? Now write down primary organ. Primary organ. The first primary organ is mouth. MOUTH, mouth. It is an oval shaped cavity. It is an oval shaped cavity. OVAL, oval shaped, SHAPED, shaped cavity inside the skull. Inside the skull. Second one is pharynx. 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 It is a passageway. It is a passageway. PASSAG. For food and air. It is a passageway for food and air. It is about 5 inches long. It is about 5 inches long. There is a flexible tissue. There is a flexible tissue in flap shape, as FLAP, flap shape, called epiglottis, 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 highlight epiglottis. It is a tissue, flap shaped tissue, which is vertically closes over windpipe, which is what not vertically, reflexively closes, which is reflexively closes over the windpipe when we swallow, SWALLOW, to prevent choking, It closes our windpipe when we swallow to prevent choking, and it prevents food moves towards air pipe. Okay. So we will move tomorrow. Our next part, that is esophagus, next organ. Esophagus, stomach, small
Okay.
intestine and large intestine. Any question till here?
No, sir.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt chin mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः। सर्वे सन्तु निरामया। सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु। मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Namaste. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet again tomorrow.
Sir. Thank you, sir.